All right. If you're still using an old HDD, SSD, or even an external drive, here's something most people ignore until it's too late. One simple check could save all your data from sudden drive failure. Here's how to check if your hard drive or SSD is about to fail. Open your browser and search for Crystal Disk Info. The first result should be from crystalmark.info. That's the official developer's website. Click on it. On the page, look for the Quick Download section. You'll see a button labeled CDI. Click it. This will redirect you to the SourceForge download page, where the download starts automatically after a few seconds. Once it finishes downloading, open the installer. The installation is completely straightforward, a standard next, finish process with no bundled software or surprises. Click through the prompts and let it install. Open Crystal Disk Info. The interface loads immediately and begins reading SMART data from all drives detected in your system. At the top of the window, you'll see a row of tabs, one tab for each physical drive installed in your PC. If you have one drive, you'll see one tab. If you have two drives, like I do on this machine, you'll see two. Click between the tabs to switch between drives. The layout for each drive is consistent: a health status panel on the left side, temperature and general information in the middle, and a detailed SMART attributes table taking up the lower portion of the window. Let's work through what each section is telling you. The single most important element on the screen is the Health Status badge in the upper left. Crystal Disk Info uses a simple color-coded system. Blue means good. This is what you want to see. All monitored attributes are within normal parameters. Your drive is healthy. Yellow means caution. One or more attributes have moved outside the normal range. This is not an immediate crisis, but it is a genuine warning that deserves attention. Something has been detected that needs monitoring. Red means bad. Serious problems have been detected. Data is at risk. Back up immediately and plan to replace the drive. Gray means unknown. The tool can't reliably read SMART data from this drive, sometimes seen with older drives or certain external storage. Below the health badge, you'll also see a percentage. This represents the overall health score Crystal Disk Info calculates based on the SMART data. Higher is better, and anything above 80% is generally comfortable territory. On the right side of the interface, you'll see summary statistics about the drive's history. It's particularly worth paying attention to power on hours. This tells you exactly how many hours the drive has been running since manufacture. It's the equivalent of mileage for a car. A drive with 500 hours is essentially new. A drive with 30,000 hours has been running for years and deserves closer monitoring regardless of current health status. Power on count, how many times the drive has been powered on, relevant for hard drives where repeated spin-up and spin-down cycles contribute to mechanical wear over time. If your drive shows good, you're in great shape. Make a note of the current power-on hours and SMART values as a baseline and run this check again every few months. Consistency matters. A sudden change in any attribute between checks is more meaningful than any single reading. If your drive shows caution, don't panic, but do act. First, and this is non-negotiable, make sure you have a current, complete backup of everything important on that drive. Not because failure is guaranteed or imminent, but because you don't want to discover you needed a backup at the same moment the drive stops responding. Then keep monitoring closely, weekly rather than monthly. Watch whether the triggering attribute's value is stable or climbing. Stable means monitor carefully. Climbing means start planning replacement immediately. If your drive shows bad or red, back up your data right now before you do anything else. Every hour you spend not backing up is an hour of additional risk. Once your data is safe, replace the drive. Don't keep using a drive that Crystal Disk Info has flagged as bad. Run it today. Check every drive, note your health status and power on hours, set up resident monitoring so you're notified automatically going forward. And if you find a yellow or red status, prioritize that backup before you do anything else. Drop your health status results in the comments, good, caution, or something else. I'm particularly curious how many people find an issue they didn't know about. A like and a subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical Windows hardware guides like this every day. Thanks for watching. Go check those drives.